Okay, good day to everyone. I'll be having my demonstration regarding the peri-operative nursing, and it is really a must for us to know some of the important things na kailangan natin na i-prepare para sa ating pag-duty sa ating peri-operative nursing clinical duty. Okay, so kailangan tayo mag-prepare tayo ng tinatawag natin na surgical gloves. We need at least 3 surgical gloves that we're going to bring in the hospital if we will be having our clinical duty. Then we have also what we call as the cap or the surgical cap. It is deemed necessary na dapat meron tayong surgical cap. Plus, we need to bring also yung tinatawag natin na mask, surgical face mask para pagkahalimbawa tayo ay nag-duty na ay mahalaga na maipakita sa atin yung mga bagay na ito.